In Washington, President Donald Trump hosted El Salvador's President Nayib Bukele for talks that were overshadowed by the controversial deportation of Kilmar Abrego Garcia, a Maryland father who was wrongly deported to El Salvador last month. Despite a U.S. Supreme Court ruling ordering his return, El Salvador has refused to release him, citing national security concerns. The Trump administration claims it cannot bring Abrego Garcia back because he remains in Salvadoran custody, while Bukele's government argues that complying with the U.S. court order would amount to smuggling a foreign national out of their country.
When reporter in Oval House meeting asked Bukele, "Will you return him?"
He answered, "The question is preposterous. How could I smuggle a terrorist into the United States? I don't have the power to return him to the United States."
Responding his answer, reporter asked, "But you can release him into El Salvador."
He answered, "For every single soul that they send to that hellhole in El Salvador, we, the United States, are putting another nail in Jesus' body. They, every single one of the people detained who are deported to that prison, they are the ones whom the Salvadoran priest and martyr Ignacio Acharya called the crucified peoples of the world, the crucified peoples of the world. And the only response, especially in Holy Week, the only response is to take them down from the cross."
This diplomatic standoff has drawn widespread criticism, with legal experts and human rights advocates accusing both governments of evading responsibility and undermining judicial authority. During their Oval Office meeting, Trump praised Bukele's crackdown on gang violence and hailed the partnership between the two nations. Still, the unresolved case of Abrego Garcia has strained U.S. El Salvador relations and raised deeper questions about the enforcement of international deportation agreements and the limits of judicial power across borders. As the situation unfolds, the case continues to spotlight the legal and humanitarian challenges surrounding immigration and deportation policy.